MS UPSC Dream. In this video, I am going to discuss about Class 6, Chapter 1, Understanding Diversity. What is diversity? The simple meaning of diversity is the difference in caste, race, religion, and other things. The chapter starts with one story which is given from the point of view for class 6 student. So that's why I'm not going through it. I just start the topic which is important. Diversity in India. India is a country of many diversity. The people of India speak different languages, have various type of food, celebrate different festivals and practice different religions. History and geographical factors are also influence the diversity of the country. To explain how historical and geographic factors affect the diversity, the two parts of the India is taken. Kerala and Ladakh is taken to understand how historical and geographic factors influence the diversity. So first we discuss about Ladakh. Ladakh is a desert in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir, and very little agriculture is possible because the area is mostly covered with snow and very few trees grow in Ladakh. And even for drinking water, the people of Ladakh is depend on the melting of snow. People of Ladakh keep sheep and goats. The goats in this region is very special. They produce Pashmina wool, and the demand of Pashmina wool is very high, and the people get good price for it. The people in Ladakh carefully collect the wool of the goat and sell this to the trader from Kashmir. The people eat meat and milk products like cheese, butter. Ladakh is also attract the traders. It was considered as a good trade route as it is pass through which canvas travel to what is called today Tibet. And this canvas carry textile species, raw silk and carpets. Ladakh is also called Little Tibet, the reason that Buddhists reached Tibet while Ladakh. Islam was introduced in this region more than 400 years ago, and there is a significant Muslim population. Ladakh is known for its rich oral tradition. Local version of Tibetan national epic, the Kesar Saga, are performed and sung by both Muslim and Buddhist. So it is all about related to Ladakh. Now Kerala. So Kerala is a state in the south and west corner of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on other side. A number of species grow in Kerala. That is why it attracts many traders. Jewish and Arab traders were the first to come here. Even the Thomas is believed to have come here nearly 2000 years ago and bring Christianity to India. Many Arab traders also come to settle down here. Because of this historical influence, people in Kerala practice different religions like Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhist. The fishing net used here is exactly look like the Chinese fishing net. That's why it is called China wala. Chin word is derived from China. The fertile land and climate are suited to grow rice, and majority of people here eat rice, fish, and vegetables. There is one picture is given of the Oma festival. It is a boat race which is celebrated in Kerala. Now, after reading about Kerala and Ladakh, we can say that the history of both regions have been similar culture influence. Both regions were influenced by the Chinese and Arab traders. And when we talk about geography, so it was geography of Kerala which allowed for the cultivation of species, and the special geographical location of Ladakh and its wool that drawn trader to this region. So in last we can say that history and geographical are often tied in the cultural life of the region. Now, unity in diversity. Indian diversity is always recognized as a source of its strength. At the time when British ruled India, people from different background, different gender come together to fight against British. The one song is given in NCERT. It was the song given in NCERT. This song was sung after the Jallianwala Bagh incident. The Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, in which British general opened fire on a large group of people, and men and women, Hindu, Sikhs and Muslim, rich and poor are gathered to protest against the British. This song was composed and sung to honor the memory of those brave people. Another picture is given where the Nehruji delivering an independence speech. Songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle give strength to our people. Jawaharlal Nehru, in the book Discovery of India, told that it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. We need to encourage the diversity. And the Nehruji coined the phrase unity in diversity. So, it is all about Class 6, Chapter 1. I hope it is useful for you. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe our channel.